This video will go over how to bulk import plans. To add multiple plans at once, select Locations and Plans from the main menu. Select the location you would like to add plans to. Click the yellow Add a Plan button. To upload plans from your device, click the This Device button. Select all the plans that you would like to upload. To use existing file names, do not enter anything in the name field. Give your plans a type, any categories or trades that they relate to, and press Save. Your plans will upload in the background. The plans are now available in the location. Click the plan to open and view it.